With Squarespace Payments, you can manage your payments and payouts in one easy-to-use dashboard. After connecting Squarespace Payments on your website, you can accept all major credit cards, Apple Pay, and buy now, pay later payment methods like Klarna or Afterpay. For the most up-to-date information on Squarespace Payments transaction fees, please click here. Squarespace Payments is available for anything you can sell on Squarespace: products, services, subscriptions, digital content, and even donations. To be eligible for Squarespace Payments, you need to have site owner or administrator permissions on the site. Only site owners or administrators can create a Squarespace Payments account, and each account can only be attached to a single Squarespace website. To connect Squarespace Payments, start by logging into your site and then navigate to your payment settings and select Turn on Squarespace Payments. Follow the prompts and enter all required information and select Agree and Submit. After your identity is verified, you're ready to start accepting payments directly through your Squarespace site. Once you've received your first payment through Squarespace Payments, you will have to connect a checking account to start receiving payouts to your bank. Select Connect Bank and continue to follow the prompts. Please let us know if you have any questions. We're always here to help.